Hello everyone, this is Imran Ali here. Welcome back to our channel. And today we are going to talk about how to optimize your WordPress website and get a high Google score. So first of all, as you can see over here, we are at WordPress and we are going to check our website authority checker to see that our website is live or not. First of all is that, so you can also visit that and copy that website, and or you can copy from over here. So I'm just gonna paste it over here. I have already opened this website, and you can also just go ahead and click on Google and search that website authority checker, and it will take you right over here. Click on that. I'm not a robot. And as you can see over here, we have 0 domain rating. Why? Because this website doesn't exist yet. But how much optimized this website is, so to do that, and it's a very clean and very easy way to do that, first of all, and very useful. So we need a plugin, and this plugin called first of all, you need to go add plugin and add new. Click on that. It will take you right over here. Go to search bar and search for 10 web booster. After that, you can see the first one is 10 web booster website speed optimization. There are a lot of optimization plugins out there, but this one is very useful, and you will see why. So right now you can see with 10 web booster, you can just like pass core website vitals by optimizing HTML, CSS, JavaScript, image optimization, lazy loading, or cache, and Google font or whatever. So you just need to click on install now. After that, you need to click on activate, and you can also click on more details, and you will realize how much like things they are providing to you. But before we go further, you can see over here like 90 plus page speed score. It will be sure because we will check that. And image optimization, image core web vitals, and full caching. As you can see over here, we have connect your website to 10 web and optimize your website front end. So what you need to do, you need to click on sign up and connect. So we have two options over here. You can easily use your email address or just click on sign up with Google. Select your Gmail account, and right now you can see they are asking for like how would you describe yourself. So you like a digital agency you have, or like freelance, or designer, like e-commerce, blogger, or other business. So I'm just going with the e-commerce. And how many websites do you manage? So you can also click on that. I'm just going with the first one, and it will take some time. After that, you can see over here at the left side of your screen, our website has been started to optimize by itself, and we don't need to do anything. But after that, after this option, you need to wait for a while, like really wait for a while, because it will take some time, like 15 to like I guess 20 minutes. So it depends how like which level you are optimizing to your website. So we will meet after. So as you can see, it's still optimizing, but if we go ahead and click on WordPress and go to your WordPress section, you can see all the details to your like for your website, right? So your optimization homepage score is this, like mobile score is load time takes this, and the mobile score desktop time. So they are just showing to you, right? And if you want to get more options like entire website optimization, 2 pages, add all 13 pages, it depends on you. Optimization of unlimited new pages and images. Obviously after uploading new things, after optimization, you need to upload any picture, and you need to do optimization again. So you don't need to do that over here, it will do it by itself, and it has no limit, by the way. And Cloudflare Enterprise also will come, Enterprise CDN, DDoS protection, and WF, and it will be provided to your upgrade version if you have 10 web upgrade, but free version is also enough to optimize your website. So let's just check. I hope. Nope, still taking time. And you can see over here, once we click on manage, you can see over here we have optimize score page over here, like mobile score, you can see over here. And right now we are we are doing optimization level is extreme, that's why it's taking so much time. And that's it. That's all you need to know how you can optimize your website. It's very easy way to do it, and this option, this plugin is very useful and very powerful in my opinion. And first of all, it's very free, it's a free plugin, so why not try it at least. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand everything. Please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you, and bye bye.